Glamox Central Monitoring is a system that allows you to monitor and control complete lighting installations. It also offers value-adding services like energy monitoring, emergency light monitoring, and maintenance monitoring. Control your energy consumption and keep your budget under control. With Glamox Central Monitoring, you can monitor the energy consumption in all areas of the building. It makes it easy to see how well the system is performing and adjust accordingly. Say goodbye to time-consuming emergency light inspections. Glamox Central Monitoring enables you to set up test cycles and generate reports that fulfill European and national standards. Our central monitoring system provides an easy user interface for monitoring the status of the total installation. Knowing when and where maintenance is needed, your personnel can handle maintenance in a quick, easy and cost-efficient way. Glamox Light Management Systems. You define, we connect.